Hi, my name is Nicole Scott, and this is for NU 650 Advanced Health Assessment, and this is my patient, Danielle Scott.
I give consent to be recorded.
Okay, perfect. So first we're going to start with the skin assessment. I'm going to inspect skin characteristics, including moisture, dryness, temperature, inspect the fingernails for clubbing, cyanosis, and ask the patient for any changes in skin pigmentation, moles, or anything like that. So have you noticed any difference in any skin conditions? Have you noticed any increases or changes in moles, colors, anything like that?
No.
Any increased dryness anywhere?
No.
Your hair, have you noticed anything different, or have you been pretty normal?
Pretty normal.
Okay. And then let me look at your nails here. I don't see any clubbing, no cyanosis. Everything looks good. So now we'll move on to the abdomen assessment. So did you empty your bladder before this assessment?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. So I'm going to have you lay down. And then with your knees, okay, that's good right now. So what I'm going to go ahead and do first is inspect the abdomen for any differentiating characteristics, masses, lesions, anything like that. I'm just going to pull this down a little bit. All right. Have you noticed any changes in abdomen, or are you having any abdominal pain?
No.
Okay, so what I'll go ahead and do now is listen to vowel sounds and auscultate all the quadrants. Along with the femoral arteries, I don't notice anything differentiating here. Everything sounds normal. So what I'm going to go ahead and do now is percuss all four quadrants. We're looking for any dullness. Okay, everything feels pretty good. So now what I'll do is palpate all four quadrants, slightly palpate, and then I'll do a deep palpation. So just let me know if you notice any discomfort or anything, okay? Okay, now we're going to do a little bit of a deeper palpation, okay? Just deep breath. And no discomfort, everything feels pretty good. Okay, and then for McBurney's point, this will be on the right side, just below the belly button here and the anterior superior iliac crest here. It's going to be right in the middle here, like a diagonal line is where we're going to find that. And Robson's sign for appendicitis, and McBurney's also for appendicitis. That's where we're going to notice any discomfort. Like I said, McBurney's right here in between on this diagonal portion right in the middle. And then Robson's sign, pain in the right lower quadrant during left-sided pressure. So if I do some left-sided pressure, just let me know if you feel any pain in your right, okay? Any pain?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, and now we're going to go for the Cva sign. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is ask you to raise your right leg against my resistance here. And do you notice any pain when you do that?
No.
Okay, good. So we have a negative Cva sign there. Now we're going to do the obtruder sign. So I'm going to bring your right leg up and bend it. And if you feel any pain on an internal flexion, let me know, okay? No? Okay, good. Perfect. And then Murphy sign, also for appendicitis. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is under your right rib cage, put some pressure. Okay? No, I'm going to do it.
Oh.
First I'll do light, just take a deep breath. And then breathe out. Okay, and then one more time. And do you feel anything, any pressure, any discomfort?
No.
Okay, good. Now I'm going to have you sit up, and we're going to look for Cva tenderness. So if you can, other way. So the camera sees your back.
Oh.
Okay. And this is for Cva tenderness for the kidneys. So we're going to go right here on both sides. And do you notice any tenderness with that?
No.
Everything felt good?
Mhm.
Okay. Thank you.